Welcome to my channel. I am Lizello Art, and today I decided to make art with alcohol ink. Alcohol ink is liquid, as you can see. This one right here is not open. I wanted to show you how to open it first. Take off the cap, and you see right here, you can't squeeze it. It doesn't squeeze at all. So what you have to do is you have to break the seal here, and there's two ways to break the seal. You either trim it right here, and that will make a huge mess, or you get like a thumbtack and you push it down below where the ink is. I don't have a thumbtack, but I have a needle, so I shall show you. There we go. And you should hear the little, excuse me, the little bead inside of it fall. Sometimes that bead does not fall. And see, it still makes a little bit of a mess. Okay, I found one finally. My rainbow color. If you look in here, you can see a bead right in the middle. The little metal bead. And the ink won't flow until this is gone. Oops. So again, have to put this in. There's your needle for the top. Be very careful you don't puncture yourself here. Oops, let me not dent the paper. It's a bad idea. There we go. Okay, it's gonna go pop. There you go. So if you have a clog, check to see if there is one of these little beads in it. The paper I'm using is Yupo paper. There's absolutely zero tooth to the paper, and this is so the ink slide over it. You can use these on glass and plastic, but you can't use them on regular paper and get the results you want. All right, besides the alcohol inks, you need, where's my alcohol? 99% is best, but 91% also works. I put the alcohol in a little bottle. And this acts like an eraser. Okay, let's use neon pink. All right, there's neon pink, 1 dot. Add the alcohol. Gone, see? Whoops, way too much alcohol in there. The alcohol wipes it clean. So if you make a mistake, you can start over, which is great. So even though the paper is expensive, you can reuse each sheet like 1,000,000 times, no problem, until you get an artwork you're actually proud of. There is a smell associated with this, so just be careful to have some kind of ventilation and don't breathe it in. What else I have is I have these little blowers to blow the ink. You can also use a straw. I do not recommend it because you'll get lightheaded from the fumes. So let me just do another thing here. My table is tilted also, so it's going to be a little... That's a lot. Okay. You can also use a hair dryer on the low setting, the cool setting. Another technique you can do is have a little like a dropper. And let's see if I can figure this out. I need to, oops, put some alcohol in here. Drop it in. And you can add little like water droplets. To direct the flow of these things. So the possibilities are endless. And like I said, if you don't like it, you can just add alcohol and erase it. This is black. Neon pink and black. That works together. Yes, black is here. Okay. Dipped it in the black. You can add a little droplet of black now. Or you can there we go. I am just fooling around right now, but there are a lot of different techniques to use.
A lot of people use these inks for abstract paintings, but I wanted to combine the use of these inks with actually creating something very specific. So I wanted to create kind of like a garden scene, but limit it to just a few flowers and possibly a butterfly. The inks were not very cooperative with the butterfly aspect of it, but I think by the end of it, it was, close enough. Uh, but I also limited the colors to just pink and black because I found that it had a nice contrast to it. And yeah, so it's like a little Gothic garden scene. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching the rest of the time lapse. If you have any questions about using these inks, just let me know. I didn't want to show the full process in real time because it did take me about an hour from start to finish, and that's quite a long video. But anyway, have a wonderful day and please enjoy.